Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you this project I've been working on where I turn a Raspberry Pi Pico into a mouse and keyboard adapter for the Nintendo Switch and Nintendo Switch 2. It works by emulating a Switch controller, so the Switch thinks that a real controller is plugged in, but in reality a keyboard and mouse is plugged in. Like I previously mentioned, the microcontroller that's being used is a Pi Pico W by Raspberry Pi Foundation, which is a fairly cheap microcontroller that allows for Bluetooth connectivity, as this project only works with Bluetooth keyboard and mice to keep it extremely easy to set up and get going. Getting it to work with the Switch is actually really easy. All you need to do is just plug it into the Switch. In this case I'm using a Type-C dongle, then pair your Bluetooth mouse and keyboard, and that's about it. Then you're ready to go. The button mappings I've set up are mainly tailored towards first-person shooters, where the WASD keys are mapped to the left joystick, which gives you full directional movement like in any other PC shooter, and the mouse is mapped to the right joystick, meaning that you can use the mouse to aim, look around, scope, and shoot. And the rest of the keys and buttons are mapped to the rest of the Switch controller. And if these button mappings aren't exactly to your liking, then that's not a problem at all. You can easily remap the inputs directly in the code. I've linked the GitHub repository to where you can find out how to modify the code to get everything up and running, and it should be pretty easy and straightforward. Here's some gameplay of me playing Fortnite on the Switch 2 with a keyboard and mouse. Honestly, it's not as good as playing on PC, as the sensitivity feels a little off due to how the acceleration of the mouse is limited by the max joystick speed, but after getting used to the controls, it's actually really playable. And in this game, I even managed to get the win with 20 eliminations, but I think most, if not all of them, are bots. Anyways, thank you for watching, and again, if you're interested in trying this out, the instructions are in the GitHub repository linked below. Have a great day!